Hey all, thank you for joining me today. In this video, we're making the Black Power Ranger Power Axe. Now, this is part of the Power Ranger collection that I'm creating. As I said in one of my previous videos, I am creating all 6 original Ranger weapons from the red, green, pink, yellow, blue, and black Ranger. So with all that being said and done, let's crack on with the rest of the video. Now we're moving on to the support removal, and this was quite a fairly simple task. I designed it to have little overhangs, or as little as possible, so to reduce the amount of support needed, i.e. reduce the amount of filament needed. And it worked out okay. Overhangs are there where it's needed. But going back to the design of this, the reason why I'm creating the Power Ranger collection is because the real life replicas are super expensive, and I have a 3D printer, so why not design and make it yourself? And I've designed every single Power Ranger weapon from the ground up, from the power coin to the handle. Literally, it's just all designed on CAD. And the main reason is why, because besides being a fan, it's really difficult to find a replica which is not only functional but also looks good. And there are some out there which are really good, and they cost a bit more than I would like to spend, really. So I wanted to design something that not only reignited the memories of when I was childhood, but also be a bit more practical. So for example, if you saw in the Yellow Ranger dagger video, that the daggers join together in the ends because there's magnets in it. And the same with this power axe. The barrel moves up and down, so it allows it to transform from axe mode to blaster mode, just like it would in the show. So it's a bit more usability, and depending on how big you make it, you can obviously scale up or scale down this weapon. Scale it up will be crazy because it's massive as it is already. It's almost a meter tall already, but you could get it taller. But if you want to scale it down, you could also do the same thing for smaller hands or for children or whoever it may be. And it really allows that flexibility. And this is something I really wanted to focus on. Not only have something that was beautifully and look good, but also have a bit more function to it and be able to be used in cosplay. If you want to go to a Comic-Con or wherever it may be, you can actually use it and showcase it, which is really, really nice to have. So yeah, that's the reason behind the design. Going to its availability, so if you do want to download it and print it yourself, of course you can find this on my Fangs, my Cults, and my Patreon pages. There'll be links in the description below. But also, if you don't own a 3D printer or you can't be able to build it yourself, there'll be links on my Esty page where you can download not download, you can buy the finished product and have it for yourself and shipped out to you. Yeah, have a look, let me know what you think, and we'll crack on with the rest of the video. Yep, that's what happens when you don't let the glue set. But anyway, back to competition. Just like the Yellow Ranger dagger video, I am running a competition where this video hits 1,000 likes. Or actually no, when it hits 1,000 likes, I know you guys are super supportive out there, I will choose a random comment down below to ship this out to. Only requirements are that you subscribe to my channel and you're leaving a comment down below explaining whatever it may be related to this build, related to 3D printing, asking me a question, whatever it may be. Yeah, I will choose a random comment/viewer to ship this out to. Then the only requirements are subscribe to my channel, you leave a comment. It'd be great, guys, if you could please leave a like, and hopefully maybe check out my Instagram and follow me there, because I'm also trying to build it up as well. But yeah, the only requirements for this is just be subscribed to my channel and leave a comment. But I hope and wish you guys good luck. And with all that being said, let's crack on with the video. As you just saw, assembling that handle was a piece of cake. A bit of force was needed. You may have noticed there's a little gap there. That's just because I didn't push it down all the way, but I will at some point later on. And yeah, putting this together is super simple, super easy. Obviously, you can watch this video to follow it step by step to see what I'm doing, but really and truly, I sort of designed it to be sort of self-explanatory, just the way everything's shaped and the way it should fit. So once you put it, just match it to this point and that point, and it should fit nice and smoothly. Going back to my design I'm making, I'm going through a Power Ranger phase at the moment. So like I said, I'm making all 6 Ranger weapons. But once that is completed, I do want to know what you guys would like to see next, whether it's more weapons, more armor, whatever it may be from any TV show or cartoon. I was toying with the idea of the TMNT, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. But yeah, if you got any other ideas, let me know in the comments and I will strive to sort of make them come true. But with that being said and done, let's crack on with the video. Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. It's really appreciated. Just to let you know, but I've redesigned this shaft, so it's not just a shaft going into a hole. It's key locked in now, so you don't have to manually align it and make sure it's absolutely straight. So when you look down the side of the barrel, it lines up at the end, which I had to do. But yeah, that's redesigned now. So whatever you see in this video, it's going to look very similar, but just a little bit more better. But with all that being said and done, let's crack on with the animation / glamour shots. Let's go!